back again with another bargain buy pickup. So yeah, I don't know which order this is gonna be in. So if this was uploaded first, it will be kind of embarrassing because it won't be welcome back to another. It will just be welcome back to a bargain buy unboxing. So I've got obviously bargain buys. So the aim of bargain buys is as cheap as possible, literally as cheap as possible. I try to keep them under £45. If it's over £45, it's not a bargain. In some cases, it could be a bargain. Like, for example, if the trainer is very expensive, then obviously £60, £70 is a bargain for that trainer. Trainers 100 plus, definitely not bargains. So as cheap as possible, as bargain as possible. That's the aim of this. So I try my hardest to find trainers under £45, and I try to make them actually under £35, which is really tough. So it is bargain buys. So I'm just gonna review these trainers, see if I like them, see if I'll buy them again, if they're a bargain or not. Let's get into it, people. And today, a brand that has actually never featured on my channel, so it's a first. Reebok. I actually like Reebok. I like what they're doing. They're not popping as such, so unfortunately it's a bit of an L for Reebok, but let's just get into this, man. So that's the CL Legacy Pure. So it's running trainers, UK 10, USA 11, made in Vietnam and that. Come on. So these were around £35. I tried to find them as cheap as possible. Bargain buys only for the bargain buys videos. Let's get into it, people. So it's quite a big box, I have to say. Quite a big box. Ooh. I actually haven't seen these ones. I haven't opened this box. Sometimes I do have a peek in and I see. Let's get that one. Okay. These are quite mad. These are quite crazy. I'm not sure if I like these. I know what they've done, kind of, but I don't know if I like these that much. I think they might look way better on foot. First impressions, I'm 50-50 with. Or should I just say with my chest, I don't really like them. Yeah, I don't really like them. If you like them, it's all totally up to you, but everyone has their own individual style. So the sole is literally a Reebok classic sole. I recognize this sole. And then it's got this like double sole type of thing that they've tried to do, so it literally goes up. Quite a soft leather on the toe front. Then it's got a bit of a different leather on the back. Then it's got what's that called? I never knew the bloody name. It pisses me off. Then this is actually a cloth toe box, which I don't think I've seen for a long time. No, I haven't seen a cloth toe box in ages. Don't like that. I'm not happy with the cloth toe box. Then it's got stitching that you can see, so obviously it's behind there. Then it's got a very soft leather with Reebok and the Great Britain flag. Then behind it, it's got the RE in a box surrounded by some more harder leather. On the back, it's got that soft leather again, and it's got another type of leather there on the back just for the Reebok logo. So there's the same nylon, that's what it's called, nylon, I believe. Yeah, nylon, whatever you want to call it, man. I'm not happy with that material either. The cloth, I don't really know. I'm not a fan of. The front leather is whatever, but as you can see, I haven't even worn them and they're already, kind of funny. I do think this could rip, I'm not sure. Overall, I'm not 100% with these trainers. I don't really like them. So without an on foot, I'll give them no, because usually I like ugly trainers. These are ugly, they're nice, they're not nice. I don't really like them. I don't know how I feel. People might beat me up for this. 5 out of 10? 5.5? Because they're not that bad. They could be worse. Some of the material choices are a bit odd. But we don't talk about that. Colorway I really like. The colorway is on point. So I give 10/10 for the colorway. Value, I think 35, £36. Again, bargain, so value for money. If you like Reebok, buy them. If you don't like Reebok, don't. They could just be a gym trainer. It looks like that's what they are. Running trainers. I'm not sure about comfort, so don't quote me on that. Overall, yeah, I'm not really too happy with this material here and all this cloth crap. That's terrible, to be honest. I have no words for that. For a bargain buy, I think is pretty good because what can you get for 36 quid, 37 quid, under £40? So it's a bargain. Would I buy these in another colorway? Maybe if I see another colorway that I like. I haven't put these on foot, so it's a bit of a funny review. It's got the the exposed sponge. I don't like that either. I don't know why. That's not me. Even the laces I don't really like. These are some terrible laces, not going to lie. Inside looks comfortable though, so I don't want to say they are comfortable because I haven't tried them. Inside looks comfortable. So yeah, bargain buy approved. I probably won't buy these again. I'm not really a huge Reebok fan. I only really like the classics, and it looks like they've tried to, revamp the classics and give them another look, which I don't really see catching on. Not going to lie. Maybe some people might like these. That's on you. Colorway's decent. I really don't want to waffle anymore. Yeah, man. So as always, there'll be an on foot to follow. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and just wait a few seconds for the on foot video. And take care, people.